Hello, Mr. Chairman, members of the board, Chief Executive Officer, Clerk of the Board, and members of our community. My name is Carmen Gonzalez, and I'm here today to talk about a proposed task force for the County of Orange. Our topic is affordable housing. Our Housing Task Force for People with Developmental Disabilities is what we decided to name it. We wanted people to identify immediately by its title, what was this task force about? Our purpose is to secure safe, affordable living options for people with developmental disabilities in their communities. Steering this task force would be the Orange County Housing Authority, and working in conjunction with Department of Developmental Services, the Regional Center of Orange County, and Orange County Social Service Agency. The structure that we would be putting into our task force is taken through Gulick, Fayol, Taylor, and Weber, where they all talk about efficiency, and in order to get efficiency, we need to have a clear understanding of our roles and responsibilities and understanding what our objectives are. To talk a little bit more about that is our structure and design. As we can see here are some examples as Max Weber's bureaucracy identifies what is the best way to be able to establish a bureaucracy, a system within an agency, and in this case our task force. As well, I decided to put in Henry Fayol's Principles of Management because I really wanted to tie in to the unity of command. These are large organizations, I understand, and it's super important that our leaders understand what their roles and responsibilities are within this task force. Therefore, to be able to influence their employees and having that buy-in and being able to be effective members of this task force because they want to be part of this task force. Such as like Fayol said, this isn't an order. This is something that a task force, and in joining this task force, you have a mission. It is a positive outcome to see people with housing. Some of our task force members, as you can see here, we have our Housing Authority, Social Services, Adult Protective Services, In-Home Support Services, the California Department of Developmental Service, Regional Center, Fair Housing, and community-based organizations. We strongly believe that this task force, like cats and cans would refer, is an open system. We strongly believe that this membership would take in consideration external and internal factors and be able to adapt whatever is necessary in order to make sure that this task force is successful. Some of the types of employees and these members of this task force, like McGregor said, definitely it won't be a type X employee, someone that requires that oversight, that requires a structure. We would want someone that has a type Y personality, that has innovation, is creative, motivated, doesn't require that much oversight, and that can bring to the table creative ideas and be willing to do what it takes in order to get the job done. We then have to look at within the organizational culture and kind of look at, seeing within our own bureaucracies, within our own agencies, what are some of those barriers that have been established that have prevented us from moving forward in establishing these objectives of providing affordable housing within our community. We look at our system and quality management. Our objective is to be able to take in consideration the external factors of how is it impacting our objective, and most importantly is to adapt, to be able to take in consideration what is occurring in the outside and how are we going to be able to address that as a task force member so we can adapt to that situation. In conclusion, this ends my presentation. I want to thank you for your time, and I'm opening it up for any questions. Thank you.